FAQs about Alstroemeria Inca Holland. As someone deeply passionate about gardening, I've had my share of experiences with various plants, and one that stands out is the Alstroemeria Inca Holland. This vibrant perennial is a favorite among gardeners for its stunning, long-lasting blooms and its relatively easy care requirements. If you're considering adding this beauty to your garden, here are some frequently asked questions that might help you get started. See more 128 species in genus Alstroemeria at monsteraholic.com. What is Alstroemeria Inca Holland? Alstroemeria Inca Holland is a cultivar of the Alstroemeria, renowned for its bright, colorful flowers that resemble orchids in their complexity and elegance. The Inca Holland variety is particularly valued for its striking orange and yellow blooms, which can add a vibrant splash of color to any garden. The plant itself is a tuberous perennial, meaning it grows from underground tubers that store nutrients for the next growing season. It's well suited for a range of climates, though it thrives best in regions with mild winters. How to care for Alstroemeria Inca Holland. Caring for Alstroemeria Inca Holland is relatively straightforward, which is one of the reasons it's a favorite among both novice and experienced gardeners. Light requirements. Alstroemeria Inca Holland prefers full sun to partial shade. Ideally, it should receive at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. In regions with intense summer heat, some afternoon shade can help prevent leaf scorch. Soil conditions. This plant thrives in well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. A mix of compost and loamy soil works best. Avoid heavy, clay soils that can retain too much moisture and lead to tuber rot. Watering. Regular watering is crucial, especially during the growing season. The soil should be kept consistently moist but not waterlogged. During the winter months, reduce watering as the plant's growth slows down. Fertilizing. Feed your Alstroemeria Inca Holland with a balanced, all-purpose fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of blooms. Pruning. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage more blooms and to keep the plant looking tidy. At the end of the growing season, cut back the plant to ground level once the foliage has died back. How to propagate Alstroemeria Inca Holland. Propagating Alstroemeria Inca Holland can be done through division or by planting seeds. Here's a quick guide on both methods. Division. This is the most common method and works best in early spring or late fall. Carefully dig up the tubers and separate them into smaller sections, each with at least one growing point. Replant the divisions at the same depth they were originally growing, spacing them about 12 to 18 inches apart. Seeds. While growing from seeds is possible, it is less common due to the time required. Sow seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Keep the soil moist and warm until germination, which can take 2 to 3 weeks. Transplant seedlings outdoors after they have grown large enough and the risk of frost has passed. What to plant with Alstroemeria Inca Holland. Alstroemeria Inca Holland pairs beautifully with a range of other plants. Here are a few suggestions to create a stunning garden display. Other perennials. Combine it with other perennials like Echinacea, Rudbeckia, or Coreopsis for a mixed border look. These plants share similar care requirements and will complement the vibrant colors of the Alstroemeria. Grasses. Ornamental grasses like Miscanthus or Panicum can add a contrasting texture and provide a soft backdrop to the bold blooms of Alstroemeria Inca Holland. Annuals. Planting annuals such as marigolds or petunias alongside Alstroemeria can extend the color show throughout the growing season. Choose colors that either match or complement the Alstroemeria's hues. Common problems and solutions. While Alstroemeria Inca Holland is generally hardy, it can occasionally face issues. Here are some common problems and how to address them. Pests. Aphids and spider mites can sometimes infest the plant. Regularly inspect your plants and use insecticidal soap if needed. Diseases. Root rot can occur in poorly drained soils. Ensure your garden beds have adequate drainage and avoid overwatering. Winter care. In colder climates, mulch around the base of the plants to protect the tubers from freezing temperatures. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a vibrant and healthy Alstroemeria Inca Holland in your garden. This plant is a rewarding addition that brings color and joy with relatively little fuss, making it an excellent choice for any garden enthusiast.